So your personal brand is who you are, it's what you stand for, and it's actually your promise to the world and how you deliver on that promise or not. It's really up to you. And what can you do different or better than anyone else? So that's what you're building when you build your personal brand. And you are doing that literally every day when you show up.
Ka-chow.
Girlie Garage's mission is to make women safer and more confident on the road. We do this by educating and consulting them on their personal vehicles so they don't get taken advantage of at auto shops. This summer camp of young entrepreneurs learned all about personal branding. Your personal brand is what your brand says about you without you saying anything at all.
So while you're looking at this sticker, first of all, does it look like me?
Yeah. You have like more buttons.
So this is branding, okay? Just like you were talking about with marketing, advertising, this is branding. This is my personal brand. When you build a business, you cannot separate the person from the business when you start. Like, my morals and values go into my business. So what do you think my business is about?
Girl power. A girl.
These are all great. Let's read the back.
Empower.
Yes, okay? So everything that I wear, everything that I represent, and everything that I do is this brand, okay? And that's what we're gonna focus on for you. You can
We did a worksheet together to define what makes us special, what we can work on, and what characteristics and morals we value the most.
So the second box, which is when you describe values that you admire in another person, those are actually the values you admire the most in yourself. So I'd like you to read those real quick and just see how they reflect upon yourself, because those are the things that you care about the most. You recognize them in others.
It was really special to hear some of the benefits these young entrepreneurs absorbed from this workshop.
So does having a brand create more opportunities? Go ahead.
Yes, because if someone sees your brand, they're gonna remember it. If they had a good experience, and they're gonna come back later. Like Mod Pizza gives out stickers, so if someone sees stickers, they know there's a Mod Pizza nearby.
Okay, so when you take responsibility for your life and your actions, does that affect your brand? How does it affect your brand? If you're taking responsibility for your life and your actions, and you're posting your life and your actions on Instagram, does it affect your brand? Yes.
Definitely, because I think it's in terms of reputation.
Totally. So our personal brand is our reputation that we build every single day. And it doesn't matter if you and I are having this conversation, if I'm yelling at you and they're looking at us and they're like, oh my God, she's yelling at that guy, what's going on? Then they're gonna be like, oh, I don't wanna talk to her. And that is now my reputation down the drain. And I'm wearing my brand on my back. Literally, people could just Google me. So that is so important to live your brand every single day.
These young entrepreneurs will be sharing their stories at the end of the week along with a new business concept. Hopefully they'll be able to incorporate some of their newly acquired personal branding.
Because now you know what is valuable to you, okay? And when you tell people your story and what's valuable to you, they actually want to listen. You'd be surprised. They're like, whoa, I really want to know what this person's saying. Like, take this into your heart right now, because you're gonna need it in 4 days. It's like, am I solving a big problem? Am I solving something for people that is actually gonna matter?
Thank you so much for watching. Girlie Garage offers automotive education and consulting, not just for adults, but also to inspire the young. So stay tuned, and if you have any questions, my contact information's in the description below.